A multiplexer. A multiplexer or an MUX is basically a smart switch. So the function for this MUX is to select of one out of several input signals and forward it to a signal output line. So what this multiplexer or MUX does is it selects just one, it chooses only one input out of many and sends it to the output. So out of the number of inputs it will be given, it chooses only one, and then the one option will be displayed as the output. So the diagram here we are looking at is a 4 to 1 multiplexer, and then we have the um, S0 and then the S1, which are the two selected lines. So looking at this, since two selected lines are chosen between four inputs, then it means we can write an equation which is 2 exponent 2 giving us 4. So there will be four different inputs, which are the 10, 11, 12, and then 13. So when you create a truth table for this multiplexer, S1 and then S0, when S1 is 0 and then S0 is also 0, you get an output of 10. And then when S1 is 0 and then S0 is 1, you get an output of 11. That is the second input. And then when S1 is 1 and then S0 is 0, you get 12. That's the third input. And then when S1 is 1 and then S0 is also 1, you get your last option. That is the 13 or your fourth input. So basically, this multiplexer only selects one input to display. So that's how a multiplexer functions, and then it's mostly used in computer architecture, especially in the development of the CPU, and then digital circuits, because um, it saves wiring, and then controlling signals are very effective, and then it simplifies circuit designs. So this is how a multiplexer functions.